materials ko. So, balik na ka doon para ipakita ko sa inyo yung trabahuin ko. So, ito na yung tatrabahuin ko ngayon na bonsai materials. Saan na ito ilagay ito? Lagay ko muna ito sa baba. Nahulog mahinoon. Natumba niya, matay akong bonsai materials. So, ito yung bonsai materials. So, kailangan itong iayos kasi lumalaki na yung dahon. Tapos, idipulit. So, ang ginagawa ko nito, linagyan ko ng mga straw yung mga ugat niya. Kaya, medyo madami na ng kaunti. So, ito yung front ko. Makita nyo dyan, yun ang front. So, bali, i-continue ko ang pagtatrabaho nito kung tumataas na yung sun o yung araw kasi sobrang init pa dito sa kinalalagyan ko, tapos hindi ko mabuhat ito. Ang anak ko lang ang inutusan ko magdala dito. So akala ko hindi pa mainit dito yung early in the morning, but it is already hot. So I just keep or continue working on this one when yung araw ay taas ng gamay. Tapos landong na dire sa area. So I'm almost done working on my bonsai materials here. With this I started yesterday, then I did not finish. That's why I continue today. Today is December 28. Then yesterday I stopped because I mentioned that sobrang init or very hot in the area. That's why I did not work. So I just dugtong the video or insert the video yesterday so that you will know that it's really hot this area. Now it is have a cloudy sky. That's why I was able to work on my bonsai materials here, because of Golden Ficus. Then it took me around 4 hours because I started this one I think 7:30, then it's already 11:30 I think, or 11 o'clock. So there are some leaves that I left behind because I was afraid that it might die, this material, because this material is very old already. The origin of this bonsai materials, this is abandoned and thrown in the garbage. When I saw it, then it cut by the owner. When I saw it, I pull it out and bring home. So I tried to just put on the side, then not knowing that it is survived, because this is a ficus. Then sometimes ficus, if there's a moist or water, you can suck water or moist, you just immediately for the root will come out. So this is how it look before. This is my front area here, and before there's a hole inside and it looked ugly. So what I did, I tried to get this root to cover up this area. Then if you notice, there are plenty of root going down, so I scrape some of the bark on the upper side so that the root will come out. Then I put a straw, because I believe that if this plenty of roots going down from the trunk of this Ficus Bonsai materials. I'm sure it is become nicer or beautiful. So this kind of form or style of making of bonsai, this is an old style. What I did, because I'm short of wire, I'm just using a recycled wire. So what I did on this bonsai materials, if you notice, the style of putting a wire is not nice compared to the master or expert in bonsai, that the wire is very clean. So I just do that kind of style. Wire is already penetrating the trunk. I remove the wire, then I just left some, like you seen this one. If ever I just cut it on top, then it's hard for me to take off the wire, because I'm going to take off this wire one by one on these materials. So for me now, it's already look good. Then what I'm doing, I just bent the trunk going down so that it look pandak. Then I use plenty of bunting, that is old style of bonsai. Then I also minimize the curve on the branches so that it will not halata na it is just look natural ba. So continue cutting of some of the big leaves. So I just hope that during the time that these materials were produced leaves, it looked nicer than before. So since it's the form now, it's okay for me, because what I did, I just bent like that. This one I pull the trunk going down so that it look pandak. So for me, it is okay already, or because just sa ngalan ani, pasensya na po if ever I do some sa ngalan ani, kanabang how I explain it wrong, because I am, as I said, I am not a master. I just want to learn about bonsai making. So hope my video is not too long and not too short. I think if wala na. So for this morning, just sharing my bonsai materials here, which is a Golden Ficus. I have already done. Then maybe the other Golden Ficus over there, I will continue or work on it if I have extra time for this day. So as I mentioned, it took too long for me to work on this because of there are plenty of leaves. Then I depollute it one by one, not compared to the what we call microcarpa, that is very easy to take off the leaves compared to this kind of ficus. But anyway, for me, it looks beautiful. So what I'm doing now is just sharing about my bonsai making here at home, and I will continue sharing because this is my daily routine of my life. Make a bonsai every day. So once again, thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day. Good morning once again. Bye-bye.